Welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe is Save. It's a noodle type crispy snack made from gram flour. We'll need gram flour. We'll add turmeric powder, red chili powder, carom seeds, salt. Now we'll add a little water and we'll prepare a dough. We'll prepare a soft dough. Now we'll grease this dough and our hand as well. This recipe uses machine to prepare it at home. This machine comes with many prefabricated molds to prepare save of varying thickness. We recommend to use mold which prepares thinnest strands. Now this tool is ready. In a hot oil, we'll fry this save. Now the bubble which we can see over here, when this bubble stops, we'll flip it and cook from another side too. Here you can see the bubble has stopped. Now I'm cooking it from another side too. It's almost ready. Here I've used another molds. I have 12 to 14 molds. You can use this sevai in different recipes. It is particularly used in many Indian food and snacks preparation and also as main ingredients. It is a good garnishing agent.